Hi, I'm Jim Scott with Summit Properties Northwest, your trusted real estate resource. Welcome to Lake Stevens, my newest listing. Let's take a look. The living room has got the open field floor plan, oversized ceilings. We have a natural gas fireplace. The kitchen, we've got the island with an eating bar. The kitchen has got just amazing cabinetry for all the dishes and appliances. Granite countertops. We've got the natural gas stove. You're gonna love this kitchen. We've got the 4 bedrooms and the laundry room all upstairs. Let's take a look. Well, thanks for touring with us today, but the big bonus for this property is that location, location, location. We've got department stores and a couple grocery stores that are just literally down the street. We've got Lake Stevens itself, which is like a half a mile away, and we've got 2 elementary schools and a middle school down the street. This home is just beautifully located. Thanks for watching and touring with us today. Your home, our passion. TeamScottHomes.com.